Jordan 12 playoff comes out next month on the 19th. And man, I never owned a pair of playoff 12s. I remember when they first was released when I was in school. And I'm gonna tell you, them hoes clean. Clean, clean, clean. Between those and Taxi, I think the playoff got those Taxi. I love Taxi. I love Jordan 12 Taxi. But the playoffs, again, I never owned them. And it's just something about, the Jordan 12 with that white strip going across the side on all the 12s that got the white strip. But I don't know. We gonna see. What y'all think? Which one's better? The Taxi or the playoff? The Taxi or the playoff? Right now, I'm gonna say the playoff. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna say the playoffs. The playoffs clean. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, next month on the 19th, according to 23isback.com. Can't wait to get those in the collection. Now, if I don't hit on the raffle, if I don't get them at all, retail, your boy gonna have to get them resale. I gotta have those in the collection. As much as, how I feel about GOAT and StockX, with these fakes slipping through, man, I might have to mess with GOAT or StockX to get those if I don't get them, retail. So, Jordan playoff next month, 2/19/22. All right.